Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are Bosh. We've got a treat for you today. It's our vegetable frittata.
First things first, all you got to do is roast your vegetables. You can use the ones that we suggest or any that you prefer.
And then it's time to make our batter.
Which is kind of like a vegan egg.
Exactly, this is our take on the tortilla, but we're using gram flour or chickpea flour, which is also gluten-free. Then we're gonna fry off some onions, garlic and chili to add that flavor and a little bit of heat. Now, this is part of our veganuary meal plan. If you aren't doing that already, you can download it, it's in the description, and we'll give you 4 weeks worth of recipes that'll make you feel amazing and help you eat the rainbow completely free. We're gonna whack all of those good bits, the veggies, the onion mix and the batter into a pan.
Make sure the pan has a high side though, because you want it slopping over the top.
And then gently brown it on both sides before serving to amazed guests.
Now we've served ours with simple spinach salad with a drizzle of lemon, but I tell you something, you can get creative here.
And you can use anything you've got in the fridge. This is a great fridge raid leftover recipe. You just want about 500 grams of veggies in there and it's gonna be perfect. There you have it. That is our tortilla frittata. It looks incredible. Should we give it a try?
Absolutely. Oh my God, so good.
It's incredible. That is a real showstopper. I feel like you'll be making this for breakfast for your family and wowing them.
And also, you should subscribe to the channel.
And if you cook this or have any thoughts, whack them in the comments and hit like so more people will see this incredible vegan recipe. That was our vegetable frittata, and this
Is Bish
and a bash. Bosh!